Welcome to Hillary, an online training course on social entrepreneurship that combines theory with practice and open collaboration. To enroll in the class, please click on Projects and start your own one by clicking on Create New. Beware! Choose your preferred language, follow the pop-ups, and be ready to start. The program is structured with 9 blocks. Each block has an introduction, reading and watching exercises, as well as an assignment to develop the strategy of your social business. After every topic, you will unlock the next one and be able to move forward. However, you can always go back, watch the previous tutorials, and improve your answers based on the feedback you receive. The uniqueness of Hillary is that you are not alone. You can invite your friends, colleagues, and mentors to give you continuous feedback on your social business. To invite them, simply click on Network, Invite New, and type their emails. To find your project, click on the folder icon on the top right of the screen. To give feedback to other social entrepreneurs, open the tab Projects. Click on one project you like, browse the business model, and leave your comments. Thank you for your attention and good luck for the Startup Woman Cup.